Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for everyone that has subscribed from my one video. I apologize that it's taken me so long to get a little more content out there, but I want to give you a breakdown of what is about to happen with this channel. So, unfortunately, I spent um, basically Thanksgiving over in Ukraine helping some friends out. Um, but Starting today, we're going to be dropping our first ever preparedness video. One of the most decisions anyone will ever face, which is bugging in versus bugging out scenarios. We're going to break down the real differences, the risks, the advantages, and the mindset you need. And tomorrow, we're leveling it way, way up. I'm super happy to announce this. I have the privilege of bringing a close friend um, onto the show, someone that I've known for quite a long time and met while in the service, someone I deeply respect, a retired Canadian Special Forces officer who has spent the last 7 years living a life that most people cannot even imagine. Just him and his dog named Jasper, a backpack, and the knowledge of how to stay alive anywhere on Earth. Together, they've walked through 71 countries, across terrains and borders most of us read about. He returned to Afghanistan. Now, this is after everyone's went home, right? So this is after the fall. Um, Returns to Afghanistan, where he hiked the mountains for 6 consecutive weeks. He's crossed through Belarus and Russia when almost nobody could get through either, um, and regions where survival isn't a theory, it's simply a requirement. He will be joining us to share what he believes are non negotiable essentials for any real go bags and why these lessons matter, how he learned these lessons, um, and why these lessons mean more than ever now. And finally, this Friday we're going to have a live Q&A where myself and my guests will be here to answer all of your questions, and we're going to discuss building a community network and how you first go about it. It can be kind of intimidating, but um, you'll be surprised how many people would like to have a plan out there and would like to have a sense of safety. So this channel is about to ramp up. Thank you all so much. I have no plans on going back to Ukraine. I absolutely despise it over there. Um, Not the Ukrainian people; they're amazing. I'm getting old. My knees hurt. A little too old to be running around in the forest anymore, if that makes sense. All right. I look forward to talking to you all later this evening with the next video.